Hello, kings and queens. You're welcome to Tiekobeauty, home of sharing fabulous hair tips. Here, your royalty, you're of purpose, and it's my goal for you to look like it through beauty. Royals, yes, royals, please go ahead, tap that subscribe red button below and share with your royal friends. It's all positive vibes. Here, we're going to get right into it. So as you see here, I'm parting the beautiful Vanessa Gima's hair. She's such a great makeup artist on Instagram. Please check her out. Her tag name is Vanessa Gima. So here you see that I have parted out a leave out and I'm braiding it as you see right here. And it will cover from the side nape to across the back of the head to the other side of the nape as you see so. And this braided part will be the leave out on top of the sewing at the back of the hair. So right now I'm going to start the braid for the beehive, which I'm going to use for the sewing. And I'm going to start right at the top of the ear just for, I do this is my way of how I do it, just so that I could fit as much hair in the hair as possible when I do the beehive. And I start out the braid with a very small piece and then I braid it into a circle around as you see. So I'm going to let you guys look at me braid the beehive. Royals, if you definitely want to know how to do the beehive circle braid, you can definitely comment down below and I will do a simple tutorial on that. After you're done, you're just going to take the extra piece and rope it around the braids as you have seen and sew it down and begin your track sewing. At the back, we took about 2 bundles for the back. Honestly, with this look, you could do, let's say, two bundles, one for the back and one for the top, and it would be good. But I really wanted the back to be full, so let's say I used about 2 bundles of the back. It was 14 inches and I cut it to about 12 inches so that we could flip it out at the end. Fabulous. So here I am now about to work with the top bun. This is the be all of the style, and you must have a really sleek laid down look. So what I did is I used Murray's Edge Wax with Pump It spray. And what I did is I would apply the edge wax on the hair and then apply the holding spray immediately after, smoothing it out with a Rattail comb, but mostly smoothing out the products on the hair with the palms of my hand, smoothing the products into the hair. And then I tied it up and I braided the rest of her hair into a braid. And you can do the ponytail with the extensions two way. Either wrap it around, wrap the person's hair or your hair in a bun like this, and then sew the tracks around the bun like this, or you could sew the tracks onto the ponytail from the tip of the ponytail onto the base of the ponytail. This would be called an invisible ponytail. So you could do it either way. Wrap it around the bun or wrap it around the ponytail of the braid. You could either glue it or sew it around. I prefer to sew it around because it's healthier for the hair. So this is the final look. Yes. Do you guys peep Vanessa feeling herself with the camera? She had to get a selfie. She did. She was like, Mary, please, I need this to be sleeked. And sleekness I gave her. Yeah, she loves to get dolled up. Love her. And this baby hair though. So over here you see that I just did a one length cut. And right now I'm just taking up the hair and cutting. I'm just cutting bulk out. So when I go in and I'm cutting, you know, into the hair like how I'm doing, I'm just cutting the bulk out so that it will be easy for me to curl, and the curl can actually curl because the ends wouldn't be too heavy. So after I spray the hair with hairspray, I love to use Paul Mitchell Stay Strong. I go ahead and I curl it going up, and you can do that first. I did that first before I took out the leave out to cover the back of the hair, and I'm doing that here. Go in and blend the leave out with the rest of the hair. And I have one tip at the end. Vanessa was really happy there. This is my tip here. To give it a more easy breezy looking curl, I rope the straight after curling. I rope the hair around a round brush with my straightener, and I rope it around like how I'm doing. Let it sit there and then take it out, and you see it has a real natural look. So here's the results, Royals. I hope that you love it, love it, love it, love, love it. She looked absolutely splendid. Royals, thank you for watching, and I'll be posting up soon. Go ahead and like and share. Till then, till I post another hair tutorial, which is coming up soon, stay blessed.